Hello, hope you're all fine and safe. Most of you are looking for a channel to study your English literature. Well, I'm here to try and help you in your study of English literature. Literature, in a broad sense, means an expression of life through the medium of language. There are five main streams of English literature. They are fiction, non-fiction, poetry, drama, and folktale. Let's start this wonderful journey of English literature through my channel called Littwin. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe by enabling the bell icon. Stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing, and sanitize your hands whenever you can. Switch to the new normal. Bye.